Hi, it's me.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Hi, it's me, and I am alive. Yes, it's been a long time, right? So, today's video is gonna be a tarantula video. So, for those who don't like tarantulas, you can leave this video now. But, before you go, click a like or dislike before you go. I will appreciate it. And if you wish for a video, put it down in the comments below. This is a request video on update for my tarantulas, and well, I have one tarantula out and I want to show you. And here she is. Oh, let me focus. Maybe I can bring that. Can you see her now? I was joking! Let me start with Mr. Arbopilosum. This is from my latest treehouse video. This tarantula is about 1 year, I think, old. Already so big. And of course, in the build you can see I had gravel as the bottom, and I knew that this baby would like to. I knew that this baby would love to dig, and well, it did. This is so difficult. Somehow it's so difficult. Why? So here, I think it's a male, Alan. I call him Alan, but it's very beautiful, always inside. Next one is Hysterocatus gigas, and I don't really know. You can see the old. You can see old mold here, and yeah, I will try to. This is a burrower, so it dig deep, but I will try to see if I can find it any. Oh yeah, there. Maybe if I lighten up from. Oh, we see movement. Maybe now we can take a look on the bomb. Yeah, so here he is. I also think it's a he. It's only 1 year old, but already so big and growing really quick. And those two are friends over here. And next in the shoot we have my Gramostola rosea, and you can barely see anything. The next candidate, and this one is I had featured in the Tarantula Cats video, Girl Power Edition. So if you want to see the beauty of this tarantula, I will link the video, and I will also get some footage over here. It's really pretty. So here she lives, and she was an educational animal. Trying to see if I can catch my sun tiger, but my sun tiger will live in this cylindrical beautiful enclosure, and I didn't want to rehouse on my own. I wanted it itself to move. Oh, I can see. Wait, maybe if we pow. Yeah, you can see the paws over here. Yeah, I can see just a tiny one. Oh well. This one grows really slow, so I'm not sure. And then we have my cockroaches laying egg. This is a hissing roach, and I think actually I can make them hiss if you want. So if you listen carefully. Just one hiss. Well, and my next friend is it's my Aponopelma semani. This is my first tarantula I got. I got it as a gift from my boyfriend. Let's see if she's in the mood to say hi. Oh. Maybe we can feed her. Oh, she's coming. Oh, come on. So you don't want to eat. Nope. Next box we have beautiful. I don't know if this one is a Hamurai or Smithy eye. I have no idea. There was no name, but me and Carolina tarantulas tried to figure it out, and she actually told me that this may be a Hamurai, or I don't know. But if Carolina, if you're watching, please leave in the comment what we talked about. I don't really remember. She is in just before molting. The bum is all naked. So this is what we have to look forward to. And we have my Chromatopelma cyanopubescens GBB, but this baby is inside here somewhere, and I think it's gonna molt because it doesn't want to eat. And this is the live terrarium she's in. Doesn't come out right now. Normally she's always out. Also I got her put in blue Buddha. She loves it so much. Or no, I love it so much. This one is a Gramostola pulchripes. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl, but yeah, always sitting inside in the hide, so barely coming out, even feeding. So I don't know. And we are lucky because Mr. Talingi is out. That's very lucky. Because Mr. Talingi is never out. But it is now. This is a male. I can see the hooks on the arms. And so we have Mr. Marshali. It's here. And this is also a boy. Yeah, so that's fine. Normally he's always inside or behind the bark, and I just wanted to open to see it better, but that didn't work. And in this enclosure we have my Grammostola rosea, and I think she will molt too. She doesn't want to eat, yeah, she's webbing a lot. I don't know if it's a boy or girl, but for me, every tarantula is a girl. And there we have here great horned baboon, which is Mr. Marshalli. And I think it's a boy, but we barely see this creature. Oh God, what am I doing? Yeah, we barely see this creature because it's always inside the burrow. Yeah, so that's sad. What we also have is CVB. The name something Vietnam blue. And let me see if I can adjust the light and zoom in a little bit. Yeah, this was a freebie from a friend, and they were so tiny, and two are doing really well. I think this one is hungry, so maybe we can do a feeding on this one. Maybe it doesn't want to eat, but we can see clearly beautiful bum, tiny little bum. Aren't they cute? They're even cute when they're small, but this one is old world and these are quick, so I'm closing the enclosure because I don't wanna run. So since we are recording an update on my arachnids or tarantulas, I can show you. So these are red runners, and we have a colony of dubias, which is refreshed with new colonies from different vendors, so we can have fresh blood, and they actually get some more jellos. No. Thank you so much for watching and for this short video. This is my collection. I don't need more. I'm very pleased with what I have. Now I will enjoy all the slings growing up, and I will update you on that. And I have a little video in mind to do about tarantulas, but I cannot spoil it for you. So thank you so much. Oh, before you go, I have a new channel where I talk about, link my
channel down below, so go and subscribe. I post stuff like I said, not so often, so subscribe, please subscribe, yes.
DIYs like my facial cream, because I do my own facial creams, and you know, the daily stuff. I don't post as much because I don't have so much time, but maybe I will. I don't know. Anyway, this is the other channel. It's part of me because it is a part of me. And can this camera focus, please? Thanks. So yeah, the other channel is just a DIY channel, you know, cooking food and body scrubs, saving money. I mean, come on, who's wanna pay 20 bucks for a sugar scrub when it's just sugar and oil? I know, right? Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I see you in my next video. Bye!